The human digestive system is a highly coordinated biological network responsible for converting food into absorbable nutrients essential for cellular function, metabolism, and survival. From a medical and physiological perspective, digestion is a precise sequence of mechanical and chemical processes that begins the moment food enters the body. Digestion starts in the oral cavity, where mastication mechanically reduces food particle size while salivary glands secrete enzymes, primarily amylase, initiating carbohydrate digestion. The bolus then passes through the pharynx and into the esophagus, where peristaltic muscle contractions transport it efficiently toward the stomach. Within the stomach, food undergoes intensive mechanical mixing and chemical digestion. Gastric glands secrete hydrochloric acid and proteolytic enzymes, converting the bolus into chyme and initiating protein breakdown while eliminating harmful microorganisms. Chyme is gradually released into the small intestine, the principal site of digestion and nutrient absorption. Bile produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder emulsifies dietary fats, while pancreatic enzymes further digest carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids. Specialized structures known as villi and microvilli dramatically increase surface area, allowing nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream and distributed throughout the body. The remaining material enters the large intestine, where water and electrolytes are reabsorbed, and beneficial gut microbiota contribute to fermentation and immune support. Finally, waste is compacted, stored in the rectum, and eliminated, completing the digestive process. This complex system operates continuously, maintaining nutritional balance and supporting human health at every stage of life.